Welcome to TLH Patterns. I am Pradeepa. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this shawl. It has a lovely pattern and also it's very easy. This shawl has a width of about 16 inches after blocking and I made it 70 inches long. You can make it as long as you want it. A return pattern is available in my blog thelazyhobbyhopper.blogspot.com. I used this yarn which is DK weight, also known as category 3 or light worsted weight yarn. I used less than 2.5 balls. So each one is about 350 meters. So to make this shawl of about 70 inches long, you will need about 800 meters or less than 800 meters. And I used a G or 4 crochet hook. Start by making a slip knot. Work 86 chains. So if you want a width of any other size, you can make chains in multiples of 12 plus 2 extra. Now we'll start the first row. Work a single crochet in the second chain from the hook. And then 4 chains. Now skip 5 chains and work 5 double crochets in the next chain. Then make 4 chains. Skip the next 5 chains. Single crochet in the next chain. Repeat this until the end of the row. Chain 4. Skip 5 chains and work 5 double crochets in the next chain. Then make 4 chains. Skip the next 5 chains and work a single crochet in the next chain. I've completed the first row. Then we'll start the next row with 1 chain and then turn and work a single crochet in the same stitch. Then make 3 chains. Now make a double crochet in the first double crochet. Chain 1 and then work double crochet in the next double crochet. Repeat this in all the double crochets. Chain 1, double crochet in double crochet. Repeat it 2 more times. Then work 3 chains and then single crochet in the next single crochet. Again 3 chains. You repeat this across. Work double crochet in each double crochet with chain 1 space in between. Then 3 chains, single crochet in the next single crochet. Repeat until the end of the row. Next is row 3. make 5 chains and then work a double crochet in the first double crochet. In the previous row we worked 1 chain in between each double crochet. In this row we'll work 2 chains in between each double crochet. So work double crochet in double crochet 5 times with 2 chains in between each double crochet. Then make 1 chain, skip the chain 3 spaces and work a double crochet in the next double crochet, followed by 2 chains. Then double crochet in the next double crochet followed by 2 chains. Repeat this for each double crochet. Then chain 1, skip the next 2 chain 3 spaces and then work double crochet in double crochet with 2 chains in between each double crochet. Repeat this across. We'll be finishing the row with a double treble in the last single crochet. To make a double treble, wrap the yarn 3 times around the hook and then insert the hook into the last single crochet and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2 loops, again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, once again yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and one more time yarn over and pull through 2 loops. This is called a double treble. And then we'll start the next row with 3 chains. This will count as the first stitch and then work 2 double crochets in the same stitch. Then make 4 chains. Work a single crochet in the third double crochet. This is a third double crochet. Work a single crochet in the third double crochet followed by 4 chains. And then work 5 double crochets in the chain 1 space. Then chain 4, single crochet in the third double crochet, again chain 4, 5 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Repeat this across. Finish the row with 3 double crochets in the last stitch. That will be at the top of the starting 3 chains. Next is row 5. Make 4 chains and turn. Work a double crochet in the next double crochet. Chain 1, double crochet in next double crochet. Then make 3 chains. Single crochet in single crochet. Then 3 chains. Then work double crochet in the next 5 double crochets with chain 1 space in between. then chain 3, single crochet in the next single crochet, again chain 3 and work double crochet in the next 5 double crochets with 1 chain in between each double crochet. Repeat this across. At the end of the row, you'll have 3 double crochets. Work double crochet in each stitch with chain 1 space in between. Then we'll start the 6th row. Make 5 chains. Turn. The 5 chains will count as double crochet and 2 chains. Then work a double crochet in the next double crochet. Make 2 chains. Double crochet in the next double crochet. Then 1 chain. Now skip the next 2 chain 3 spaces and work double crochet in the next double crochet and then chain 2. Work double crochet in each of the next 4 double crochets with chain 2 in between each double crochet. Then chain 1 and now double crochet in each of the next 5 double crochets with chain 2 in between each double crochet. Repeat this across. At the end of the row, work double crochet in each of the 3 stitches with 2 chains in between each double crochet. Then chain 1 and turn. Work single crochet in the same stitch. Chain 4. 5 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Then chain 4. Now work single crochet in the 3rd double crochet. Chain 4. 5 double crochets in the next chain 1 space. Repeat this across. Finally, work single crochet in the last space. So these are the rows that will need to be repeated, rows 2 to 7. So you'll be repeating rows 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the last one is 7. So these are the rows that you will be repeating until you reach the desired length of your shawl. Blocking of the shawl is recommended as it would open up the stitches. If you like this pattern, please give me a thumbs up. You can subscribe to my channel and also click on the bell icon to receive notifications as soon as I upload a new video. Thank you.